We fight a lot, but still, if that person is not there at home, it feels like something is missing. Probably some of you might have guessed that I'll be talking about siblings or cousins. So, in my case, it's the Jerry. In your case, it could be Tom, or maybe Tom and Jerry both. So, I'd like to ask a question to all of you that what is that one thing that comes in your mind when you think about your siblings or your cousins? Any interesting story? Anyone? Let's start with Sai.
Pillow fighting.
Pillow fighting. That's nice. Okay, Toastmaster Strain.
Beer.
Great. Toastmaster Varun.
I think fighting over food if you both are foodies.
Okay, that's very relatable, I would say. Toastmaster Nishan.
It's detective.
Detective. Okay, I think with blackmailing stuff, you guys do that. Okay.
Calling souls.
Calling?
Souls.
Souls, okay. Any guest? Anything? Yeah, go ahead.
Backstabbing and camaraderie.
So telling on each other never gets old in case of cousins and siblings, I would say that. So, now, who among the audience are the first kids? I mean the eldest son or daughter of their parents. Now keep your hands raised. Now keep your hands raised. The rest of you, look at these people. Look at the lines in their faces, the hopelessness in their eyes because of all the pressure that's been put on them. And because the first child is the project. Now you can keep your hands up. So, Indian parents will have their kid and they'll be like, oh my god, I'll make you the best kid. You'll study engineering, music, medicine, CA, MBA, you will do UPSC. But yes, you will have to dance when the guests will come. That's not negotiable. Okay, and then they start thinking about the second kid, the extra child in case of emergencies. And you know who you are, so don't pretend. So now let's move towards the structure of the meeting. For the benefit of the guests, the Toastmasters meeting is divided into three sections. The prepared speeches, the table topic sections, and the evaluation section. So in the prepared speeches section, the formal speeches are delivered, which the speakers prepare over a period of time. In the table topic section, we practice thinking and speaking quickly on our feet, and I would encourage all the members and all the speakers. So now let's play a game, and it will be a funny game. For the first, I'll be stating or I'll be telling you a few things that would be very relatable to all of you, and I'll be asking if that's relatable. You have to say yes or no. This is related to siblings, and you have to think from a point of view of having a sibling. Okay. So the first thing is you have to make a guess. This is one thing about which my cousin and I always fight, and it is like a fight is bound to happen when we both are in the same room. Can you guess what that object or that thing is?
Remote.
That's very accurate. This is TV remote. So it's like I always want to watch Animal Planet, BBC Earth, or the Discovery Channel, and he wants to watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, and we never agree on watching the same TV program. That happens every day and always. The next thing, this also you have to guess. I think will be the best one. So the thing is, this is one luxury that every elder sibling has or enjoys, and every younger sibling or most of the younger siblings don't. Can you guess?
New clothes.
They get frustrated.
New clothes.
They'll get first-hand things. So it's like I never have to worry about the clothes that don't fit me anymore. I have my brother, and then I'll be the Nasruddin. I'll be like, when we'll be in the public, I'll be like, oh, those pair of jeans look very nice on you. Where did you buy them? Intentionally asking him this question. Also, you bought, oh, this shirt looks very nice. This belongs to me. This is mine. This happens. The third thing, this is, actually, I would like to ask Shubham to do one favor. Yes. Again. Okay. So, having the light switch outside the bathroom and a sibling is a bad combination. And mark this down because this will happen with everybody, with every sibling. We enjoy this a lot, irritating our sibling, annoying them for no reason. We enjoy this a lot. The fourth thing. Now imagine my sibling is right here with me, and I'm intentionally having some chips or anything like Kurkure, and I don't intend to give him any. And we'll be like, oh, are you not planning to give me anything? Well, like he has initiated a cycle. I'll start pointing out. On November 2nd, you had an apple. You didn't give me any. You didn't give me any slides. And do you have the guts to ask me this question now? And he's like, thoda sa, a little bit. And then I'll be like, okay, I'll be the bigger person now. Really.
Take one.
So this happens with me and my brother a lot. Now, so I would like to tell you a short story that happened with me and my brother. So a few days back, an auntie came to my home and she was like, "Wow, you two look exactly the same." And I was, "Are you sure? Are you sure you're not drunk?" I was like, "How can you say that? We are completely different." But I was forced to believe this when he came back home and my phone unlocked by his face.
Oh.
That was something unimaginable for me. And one more thing, like a few days back on Baidu's, ironically, me and my brother were having a heated argument, a heated discussion, as we usually do. So I was like, everything that comes out of your mouth is stupid. And he was like, "Ha, Tushar." Like, okay. I was like, you just can't win from him in an argument. There are a lot of things that I can say. One more thing I remember is I called him from my room and I was like, "Monu, come here." And he was like, "Why?" Like, "Come, no, I just come." So he was like, "No, you'll beat me." Like, these things happen between siblings and cousins. So, but before ending my session, I would like to deliver one message to all of you, and that is that never let the worldly things like money and wealth come in between the bond that you share with your siblings. Because when you have each other, you have everything. And a sibling is the lens through which you see your childhood, which is precious. Before concluding my session, I would like to ask the timer if all the speakers are qualified.
Yes, all the speakers are qualified. Thank you.
Can we have the polls now, please?